Hey guys, welcome to Beast Ride DIY. I'm at the Home Depot and I'm going to show you some late February deals going on. First up, diving right in, we have this LED bulb battery backup. So it's actually a light bulb, but it keeps the light on when the power goes out. So say the power goes out, the lights will stay on, it says for 3 hours. That's a really good deal, and that's for like the same price as a normal light bulb nowadays, just about. So you'll have your lights even though you may not have your power. Now from Loco, this is the brand I was talking about last time I was here. These are some Griddle breakfast kits. These are all yellow tagged and half off or over half off. So this one's 25, it was 49. This is a carrying bag for 13. I think that one was over $40 as well. You've got this Griddle burger kit with the 2 spray bottles, spatula, and then the little press to press down on the burger. And a little cleaning kit as well to clean your griddle. This one is $15. I think that one was at least $39. Now from Hunter, you've got some fan deals as well. So say you're renovating, you need to replace a fan or put a new fan in. $30, this one was $119. So that's a pretty deep discount, obviously. And, you know, not the prettiest fan or most modern, but it works. Now this is another fan from Triplicity, I guess. They're saying the bulk price is $53 on this and then $59 for the regular price. This one does look more modern, so say you want to put a more modern fan in. Now for $159, this one looks like one you would put in like a restaurant or an outdoor setting. $19.88, this is a new item. It's an exclusive 800 lumen rechargeable LED detachable tripod light. So you can have it on the tripod and have it light up your workspace, whether you're painting. It has an 18-hour battery life, or you can just take it off the tripod, and that's what it looks like off the tripod, and just carry it around and light up your other workspaces. So this comes with the whole kit, it looks like here, and a pretty decent price for what it offers. It's weather resistant and is magnetic as well. Check out this 20 pair maximum gripping gloves. This comes with a tool bag. This is from that Gorilla company. So this is pretty cool. It comes with a little bag here. If you're a mechanic, this is really helpful because you can carry this around. They're grease-proof, waterproof, and mud-proof, they're saying. And I like the color of them. They look pretty heavy-duty. Now this one's yellow tagged at $9.80. This is a 3-pack of Anvil tool bags. It's 10-inch bags. But let me know if you've heard of this brand before. It shows you the picture of everything that it can carry there. And again, this is going to be a pack of 3 10-inch bags. Now for $24.97, this is the 95-piece drill and impact driver set. It was $29. I do like how it comes with the spade bits here. You get the black carbide. A few of those different bits I see in there, and a 3-time longer life on these drill bits. And of course, you can use these with wood, masonry. $79, it was $99 on this 1/2-inch drill driver kit. Now with this kit, you're getting the 2 1.5 amp hour batteries, charger, and of course the tool itself. This comes with a 3-year warranty. Now this, I think it's a new item. I just haven't seen it. It's $89. It was $119 on this 33-inch express folding portable workbench. Now this does have 5 stars as far as the ratings. It does feel pretty hefty. It doesn't feel like cheap light plastic. They're saying you can set this up in 3 seconds. It has a little yellow push button here where you push that and the legs come out and lock apparently. This is nice if you're if you need somewhere you're doing a job somewhere that may not have a workbench, or you just need something portable. I did show you in a different video a portable miter saw bench, but this one's different and actually a little bit cheaper as well. And guys, I do ask that you leave a like and a comment on this video. It does help the algorithm if you do see something you want to pick up. Now from HDX, they had these red and yellow storage containers. So these are 27-gallon storage containers. Pretty decent. They look like, I don't know what the major brand is for the Tough System ones, but now these are a new item. This is from Fiskars. It's a $48 weed extractor, I guess is what you call it. So what you do is you stick this down into the ground. I'm assuming you put your foot on this little flat piece, and then you pull out or maybe press a button here, and it's going to extract the weeds. So this is really nice if you have a bad back but still want to go around and kind of weed your yard. And this is a new tool apparently from the Fiskars brand. Now this is from Loco. It's $179, was $399. This is their charcoal grill. Pretty nice grill here. I've showed this in a different video as well, but this is what the inside looks like. I don't think I showed you the inside on the previous video. They also had these Ryobi deals on this 4-tool combo kit for $149. It was $159. This is a $410 value with everything here you're getting. And then down below they have for $129. It's their 18-volt 4-amp-hour lithium high-performance battery 2-pack. I think it was $199, so a pretty deep discount on that one. Now this is for your garage or truck. This is a rigid car cleaning kit. It's a $29 value, or $29. It was $54. You're getting everything here. So you just hook these up to your car. And those little spade bits, those are pretty good for crevices and corners, but they almost look like little steaming bits to me. But Rigid, you get the lifetime warranty on all their tools and items. This is the Rigid box set here. You buy everything, you're going to save $40 altogether. And just opening this up, I was a little bit impressed because when you first open it up, it has this little tool compartment on the top, and that is actually covered, and it's separate to where you can lock it up. So if this falls over, all your little small parts aren't going to fall over. So this is the breakdown here. You're saving $10 on each of the small and medium ones. Then on the larger one, you're going to be saving $20. So $40 altogether. They do have this little handle on the back, which is nice. And then this is the Traeger grill smoker here. This is $560. It was $749. I think this is a 34-inch smoker here. You've got the two different tiers, and pretty decent deal, a couple $100 off on this one. So now for some flooring, I actually went to the back of Lowe's. We haven't been back here since we've done a lot of renovations on our home, but they've got some Brazilian oak and chestnut flooring. Now these are like vinyl planks. Keep that in mind, but hey, it's waterproof if you want to use it for like a basement or just some cheaper type flooring. These were like $1 off per square foot, which is a pretty decent deal. I don't know how long that will last, but really all of their vinyl flooring, they had some good deals. This is a different color, and then they had this other like gray brownish color on this home brand, and then I think there were all the different brands here as well. So definitely check that out. And this is another brand that they had, and I think it was like $1 off on all their flooring. So check it out. $89. This is their Dewalt Tough System 2.0. It was $119. This is their large box with a handle in the back. And opening it up, they've got the separate small parts, little pull out there. And then in the back, they've also got the little handle here where you can expand that. Not sure if you can remove the handle, but I know obviously you can expand it upwards. Now from DeWalt, you've got this Tough System tool organizer for $19. I think this was $24. Now this is nice and deep. That's one thing I liked about it. So if you have small parts, or if you had parts that aren't as small, you can still put them in here. And these do line up kind of horizontally on the top of the Tough System, so you can fit two on the top, not just one. And that's what the side looks like. It's pretty thick. Now this was weird to me. This is like the back rooms of Home Depot. This was all the way in the corner, this like Milwaukee pack-out section. I don't know if this is just left over from something, but definitely not where you want to have that. Now for $183, this was $199. This is a mud mixer from Ryobi, kind of a more specialized tool if you're trying to do some work on flooring, things like that. From Ryobi again for $29, it was $34. You're getting this powerful suction vacuum. It's an 18-volt hand vacuum. These are great for cars or your work area. Now they have some lower prices, $12 on this 15-piece hex shank black oxide drill bit set. These are compatible with all drills and drivers. It's a $40 value for use in metal, wood, and even masonry. $31, you're getting this hold stud detector. Then for $179, you're getting the two-tool kit. Now with the stud detector, it looks like they have an auto depth scan, and obviously you can just use one-handed with this. Now for $597, they had this 12-piece 2-inch diamond grit impact driving set. I do like the size of this box. It says it works with their Link wall system, so it can kind of pop into that. 20 times longer life on this, as well as the diamond grit bits on this one. And right next to it for $49.97, they had this 3/8 of an inch drill driver set with a 1.5 amp hour lithium battery. Comes with the LED work light too. Now from Milwaukee, they had this whole section here with a lot of different yellow tagged items. They had this red lithium XC5 amp hour battery. Now for $99, you can get the Hex Impact Driver Kit, the Hammer Drill Driver Kit, or the XC5 amp hour 12-volt lithium battery. And then you can see all these yellow tagged items. This is the $44 combo SAE wrench set. It was $74. I did think I highlighted that in a different video as well. $119, I think this is the 3 amp hour lithium battery. And for $129, it's the 2-pack of the 3 amp hour lithium battery here. And this fits in most of their M12 tools, they're saying. Now down below here, this is for $249, I want to say. It's their hammer drill and impact driver kit. I think it was $2.99, so you're saving 50 bucks there. But I'm going to go close up here, and here we go. You're getting the hammer drill, 3-speed impact driver, the 2 batteries, charger, as well as the contractor bag. Now for half off here at $10, this is a 6-pack of Sawzall blades. You're getting the special torch blade here, which has a 5 times longer life versus the carbide blades. This is a $40 value and only at 10 bucks. Now Ryobi, they have this special buy where you're getting the 2-tool combo kit. You're getting the drill driver plus the one-handed reciprocating saw, 1 wood blade, a 2 amp hour battery, as well as the charger on this one. And this is going to be $127. It was $159, so getting some savings there. Now for $7 or $7.40, you're getting these firm grip gloves. These are 2 times more durable if you're working outside or working on some DIY projects around the house. These are some Duraknit gloves, and they're breathable apparently, performance fit, as well as extreme grip. Now for $69, these were $89 on this 2 amp hour starter kit with the battery and charger, or for $89 you're getting the 6-port fast charger. Now that is the tool only, but it's really all you need for this one since you're just charging batteries. All right, now from Milwaukee for $149, this is the M18 compact brushless 1/4-inch hex impact driver kit. And for $249, it's the M18 brushless 2-tool kit where you get the hammer drill and the impact driver here. And as you can see, these are all locked up, unfortunately. I think though Home Depot, from what I can see, they've locked up less items than Lowe's, but I guess it just depends on the store and obviously the location. Now this is the Red Helix driver kit. It's a 29-piece titanium shockwave heavy-duty metal kit. All of these fit their impact drivers, and they go up to 1/2 inch, so a pretty large bit. $89, you're getting this 29-piece set. $19, you're getting this screwdriver bit set. And I like the way this one looks, just the kind of how they're spaced out and the different drill drivers here. So pretty nice set. 19 bucks is part of their shockwave impact duty with the wear guard tips here. Now this is in their clearance section. So they did have a few interesting items here. $49 for these Ryobi handheld vacuums. Of course, they kind of had the gloves, the door handles, the like porch hardware, kind of some random items in the middle. They do have some spacers, and these are actually those wrenches that we saw earlier in the store. So for 110 bucks, for over half off, these are some actually pretty good Moen faucets. So that's actually a good pickup here. And for $245 is this Quiet M18 compressor. It says this is the tool only, up to 1,600 nails per charge. So a pretty decent deal here, over $100 savings. Again, that's $245. It was $349 here on this Milwaukee air compressor. Some other items they had, just again, some door handles, and then up on the top, I think they had this last time, these rigid fans were $79. Now, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did not really name this a President's Day sale because I saw no signage for that, but I still hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and go ahead and check out this next video down below.